Alright boys, so we're back. We're here at Kart and we gotta put these vests on. So
this is the first one.
Our first time
Sponsorship, Jay. Just give me an extra large.
Really?
I'm a snack, not a full course meal. Damn, Daniel back again with the white shoes. Did you get an extra large?
Small.
No way.
Just good. Yeah, it's an extra large.
Good. Oh hell yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, look.
Souvenir.
Souvenir.
First time going at Kart. Is it damaged literally back here? Is this it? I guess so.
Really? They told us?
Look at the semis.
Oh dude, look at that tractor.
Alright guys, so this is actually one of the cars we're looking for. It's actually on the bidding aisle. We got told it wasn't, so I don't know, we'll have to go ask, but it further proves that maybe it was stolen inside. The ignition is like all messed up, but everything else is pretty nice, so.
Oh shit.
Dude, this is better than the dealership.
Dude, this is...
How many miles?
Dude.
Alright guys, so there's 3 cars that we can potentially look at, or 2. We got the STI and then we got the Genesis. If we can get a good deal with that one, or the STI or the Genesis, then we're gonna go for it.
I think they're ready for bid now?
They might be ready for bid. So with the STI, like I told you guys, she said that car wasn't available for bid, but it was in the bidding section, so, and she had already left, so we couldn't talk to her, but we're gonna see, we're gonna check. We're just gonna go from here and see, so we'll catch you guys soon. All right, we're back. Let's see if it starts on the first try.
God is great.
Damn it. It's been a minute.
A minute. Well. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, so this is kind of like our pamphlet. So we just made this one before we start doing the whole bending.
We're just trying to figure out where we're gonna put the bends before we actually use the metal, because we might be short on metal. If we mess up, we might be short on metal. So this is kind of like our practice.
See that? Yeah, because this is the perfect size, wait.
Now for the real one.
Those
are the only nice pair of shorts you had. You can't get too close to the car because that happens.
That happens. This is the shorts, not the Nikes.
Alright, so now that we got the perfect bend, I don't know how we did it, but we're gonna go ahead and cut it. And this is what it's looking like. look.
Did you look at it from this
Lower looks better. It looks like a Lamborghini we can't afford.
Now I'm thinking, dude, we should like cut this one off now. Go lower on both sides y esto que se baje.
We could do that too. Because the seats, we have enough overhead to cover the seats right here. You think it'll pass emissions?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright.
Oh, fuck no.
¿Viste la Brian?
Did you get that on video?
Yeah.
Let's tack it.
Oh,
We gotta put it down now. Nice.
well, you said don't look. You did say don't look.
Oh, hell no. Oh, this was welding good. What the hell?
Ain't coming off. Yeah, it's not even. Alright, that's gonna conclude it for today's episode. It actually came out pretty good. We still have to do the rest of the framing up top, but this is the most important part, getting this done. Edgar, you wanna come certify your welds? Nah.
Oh, we didn't take a picture like that, bro.
Well, here. What?
It's not gonna fall, dude. You welded it. Dude, yeah, take it on like that.
We'll catch you guys next video. Next video, we're gonna end up putting this truss in the middle and then doing whatever else we need to.
You know what next video should be?
What?
Like you'll be driving it, and I'll be shifting.
Okay.
Look at that. Look. So,
Be sure to like, subscribe, and we're gonna be back to making more videos. So
let me jump up and get
yeah.
like and subscribe.
There you go.